My name's Craig Roberson. I finished a degree in mechanical engineering at the end of 2009 at the University of Johannesburg. We were approached by the university to design the rolling chassis, complete with suspension, brakes, steering, and the motor mount. The electrical systems can then just be ported onto these, both for the hybrid energy vehicle and for the hydrogen fuel cell vehicle and the microjet turbine.
I think when industrial designers are working very closely with engineers, you tend to get the engineers designing the internals, such as the chassis of the solar car, the suspension, and then you would start developing your car, the body of the car around the chassis. So when you get a phone call saying, we've changed the suspension slightly or made the chassis a bit bigger, it kind of gives you a whole nother problem, because you have to go back into the computer, change it up slightly, and in the computer things are constrained to others, so moving a slight line moves the whole car, so it's almost remodeling the car from the start.
The design briefing, we laid out a number of requirements. First of all, the three-wheel design, as it simplifies the drive at the back, so chain drive like a motorcycle, rather than, it simplifies the drive in terms that you don't need a differential. Furthermore, we decided to make it a low-slung, sort of wide-track vehicle at the front, with two wheels at the front, independent dual wishbone suspension at the front to make it reasonably stable with a low center of gravity. And one of the key challenges was to make it aesthetically pleasing. So we've opted for the exoskeleton approach, which is both very, very strong and has some nice lines and flowing curves.
Industrial design is awesome because it involves such a huge amount of work. What it really is designing products for mass manufacture, but this can also be just designing one-off products that uses manufacturing processes such as injection molding, high-pressure die casting. A lot of furniture designers today have studied industrial design and are developing mass-produced furniture to one-off pieces.